is me, and this is my pup Bnnie. We'll see him in just about 5 minutes. After we see him, we will show you some of his best tricks and silly things he does. To begin, let's introduce Bnnie. He's funny, he likes to run, he likes to use the bathroom a lot, and most of all, he loves to, when I get up, he loves to don't let me get my head on the pillow. Now, let's see Bnnie. This is Bnnie. Isn't he so cute? And Bnnie, can you show a trick that you know? Come here. Okay, Bnnie. Yeah. Like high five. Oh, yep, double high five. Like to do that. I've never seen him actually do the first time for switch. Bnnie, stop pushing my hand out. Okay, fine. Next of all, Bnnie loves to have fun. So let's have a race. Bnnie, come on. No. How in the world do I beat him? Is he teasing me? And of course, I lost. Now, for the last thing, going to the bathroom, he just didn't. So we don't have to show that. Now, Bnnie, come on, boy. Go upstairs. No. How am I going to lose? And he's already gone. Bnnie. And he brought his ball. Don't spin in circles, okay? I haven't even got all the way up the steps. Okay. This is me and Bnnie. This is the end of our trip today. Bnnie, say goodbye. Goodbye.